So I decided I'd show you what Bitwarden looks like on my cell phone when I add it to my cell phone. So let's go ahead and do this. Now I don't need to create an account because I already have an account. So I just go over here to log in. And I need to get my email address. Hang on a second while I validate what that is. I think I know what it is. And then I'm going to need to put my password in here. Let me get that. Give me a second to get a hold of that. Now I have the password. I'll paste that in here. And then I will log in with master password. Allow automatic syncing. That keeps it synced between the desktop and with this mobile. Okay, I got it. Bitwarden like to send notifications. I don't need notifications. Now, before I can use Bitwarden on my iPhone, I have to do a couple things. Number one, I have to go into settings here. I have to go to account security and I have to unlock with Face ID, which I've already clicked on that, unlock with Face ID, which I use Face ID on my iPhone. And the reason you have to do that is every time you pull a password from Bitwarden to log into an app or to a website in a browser, it needs to unlock Bitwarden. So having your Face ID makes that happen quickly. The second thing we need to do is we need to go into iPhone settings. And in iPhone settings, we need to go to General. And we need to come down here to Autofill and Passwords. And you can see I have Bitwarden enabled. Now I had LastPass enabled because that is my primary my password tool. But I disabled that and I enabled Bitwarden. So those are the two big things you have to do first. Now let me show you what happens if I go to a website. Now, I went to Quora.com in Chrome, or I think I'm in Chrome, and so I want to log into that, and I'm hoping that Bitwarden will bring the password because I put the Quora login information in Bitwarden. Click on Login, click on where it says your email address, click the word passwords. It's going to unlock Bitwarden with my face because I have face recognition. Click on Quora. And it'll put the email address and the password in here, and then I can just simply click Login. When I click Login, boom. Now, Quora may have come up with a two-factor authentication. It didn't do it this time because I've already done this while testing. But Bitwarden did what I needed Bitwarden to do. It worked like a charm. Now, let's go show you the next thing. Let's go do an app. So I want to go into LinkedIn. So I'm going to go into LinkedIn. Give me a second. I'm going to log out of here. Let me sign out. So if I want to go back into LinkedIn, I'm going to click on the LinkedIn app. I'm not logged in. So let's click on email or password. Click the word passwords. Bitwarden's going to unlock with my Face ID. Click on LinkedIn. It puts the email address and the password, and I click sign in. Again, LinkedIn may use some two-factor authentication. It didn't do it because I have logged into this device before. But the bottom line is that worked like I expected it to work in Bitwarden. Not a problem at all. I have the login information down here for Quora, LinkedIn, Facebook, and even Bitwarden. And I was able to enable Bitwarden on my iPhone for autofill and passwords, and it worked perfectly. I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risk and the fears of technology. Password management can be a nightmare for lots of us. Password management tools can make this much more efficient and safe.